Hello, my dear lovely viewers. One day morning, I was looking for someone to make a cool animations for my articles. I found 6 people who could do it through Fiverr and other online platforms. But one person was entirely different. Instead of just saying how long will it take, the person asked me to meet up. So we met in Starbucks. When I go there, they were already there, and I found them punctual. They asked me, what would you like to drink? I told no, I'll get you a drink. Before I get their drink, they showed me some sample animation that they had made. They were really good. When I asked how long it would take for them to make main animation character, they just said within 15 days we can deliver it, sir. But here is the funniest thing. We never talk about how much it would cost. I realized later when I was driving back home. But you know what? It doesn't matter because they did such a great job. How? Because the animator, what he did is he stepped back and understand the customer needs. He surprised and delight them with his listening skill, soft skill, and even empathy. And delivered more than expected. They deliver the result one day prior than he has agreed. And that's how you win the heart, to make them refer you to others, to get a loyal customer for a lifetime. Enjoying my contents? Show your support by sharing, liking, and commenting. Don't hesitate to contact me if you have any tailor-made requirement for training your staff in your organizations. Thank you all. Have a nice day.